Hey folks, in order to make the love virus, we will enter the training without delay. We open the Notepad program. Now we have to enter the following codes. Now we have to save the file with desired name and BAT format. I name the file Love Virus. When we run the file, it asks us a question, and if we write no, no problem occurs and it closes. We will run it again, and if we write yes, we will see this message and you have to wait for the computer to turn off. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.